In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background music in Heygen. Background music can set the tone, guide your viewer's attention, and make your video feel polished. I'll walk you through the exact path in Heygen so you know what to click, what to expect, and how to choose the right track for your project without any guesswork. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Heygen. In the results, look for the official Heygen website so you're on the authentic platform. Once you're on the home page, you're ready to move forward. Next, click the correct link to access the platform experience. If you land on a marketing page first, that's normal. Just proceed to the main app when prompted. The goal is to get into your workspace where you can create and edit videos. Now, click Sign In. Use your existing account to enter the app. If you're already signed in, you'll go straight into your workspace, which is perfect. From there, head directly to AI Studio. This is the creative hub where you build your video, manage scenes, and control audio. Inside AI Studio, look for the music option and click it. This is your audio control center. It opens the panel where you'll choose the track that will play underneath your voiceover and visuals. Think of it as the soundtrack selector for your entire project. At this point, it's time to select a track. You have two clear paths. First, stock music. Browse the Heygen music library for royalty-free tracks. These are organized by mood and style to help you quickly match the energy of your video: calm, upbeat, cinematic, corporate, and more. The categories make it straightforward to find something that complements your message without overpowering it. Second, your own music. If you already have a track you're allowed to use, click My Music or look for Asset or Upload, then drag and drop your audio file. Heygen supports common formats like MP3 and WAV, up to 100 megabytes. Longer or higher quality files may take a moment to process, which is normal. Always make sure you have the rights to use any music you upload. When you've found the track you want, click the track to add it to your project. You'll see it appear in the scene player or timeline beneath your video canvas, confirming it's attached as background audio. That's it. You've successfully added background music in Heygen and set the tone for a more engaging video.